Usually at the end of my wash and go week, after I've done gone like 7, 8 days, my scalp itches like crazy. But with this line, now that I think about it, I haven't had that itching at all. So hey there, my natural hair queens and kings. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Shay and I go by Bahamian Curl Girl. Today I'm going to go ahead and just jump right into the video. I will be finally reviewing the Curlsmith scalp line. I'm going to let you know if it's worth spending the money for this line, because I know this brand sells expensive products and you want to know which ones you should spend your money on and which ones you shouldn't bother with. So I'm going to go ahead and let you know the 411 what I thought, what worked, what didn't work. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So this entire line is actually created to help with your scalp, making sure that your scalp is clean, it's cleansed, it's healthy. So the first product that I actually got was their Super Slip Pre-Biotic primer. So this primer is, I think, similar to a pre-poo. You put it on right before you shampoo. So it says it's a pre-wash treatment for all hair types and scalp, and it helps to balance, stimulate, protect, and detangle your hair. This product is actually step 1 out of the 3. So similar to the transition line, they have like a step system for cleansing your hair, and this was the first product, and it says step 1 hair at the bottom. All these products are 12 fluid ounces, which I really like, big size, especially after spending so much money on a product. You don't want just an 8 fluid ounce or anything less than that. This product actually says that it has rice water in it, and it is good for detangling your hair, and you're supposed to use it before you shampoo. The difference between a pre-poo and this is that you actually leave this on and you put the shampoo on top of it. So it's kind of like a base for the shampoo. So basically what it says is that you will finger detangle with this and then follow up immediately with the wash and scrub Detox Pro-Biotic, which is the shampoo. This primer will protect your scalp while the shampoo clarifies it. So like I say, it's a base product. It does a pretty good job at detangling. I've used this line a few times before I actually got around to reviewing it. And what I found with this is that the slip on it is okay, but because I've started to finger detangle, this takes way too long. Like, I cannot finger detangle with this. I have to use my wet brush in order to detangle, and when I use the wet brush, it actually detangles pretty quickly. So I definitely say not finger detangle, but use it like a detangling tool and you will be good. I like the concept of this primer. Would I necessarily say that I would want to use this every wash day? No, because it's an extra step, and now I have less time than I had before, and wash day has to be an in and out process, and I'm not too sure if I think that this is necessarily necessary. I did find that it helped my hair not to tangle after shampooing, which is great. So it cuts down time a bit, but it just, you detangle it before you shampoo. So it's totally up to you. So next we have their Wash and Scrub Detox Pro-Biotics. So this is the shampoo, and this is step 2 in the line. So this one is an exfoliating shampoo, which I have to say is pretty interesting because I've never tried a shampoo that actually exfoliates. And it actually has like some little beads, so similar to like an exfoliating face scrub. That's what the shampoo is. I actually really like the feel of it. It does say that it's supposed to leave your hair a bit more stripping, but I can't say that I found that it was stripping at all because of the primer. So I didn't feel like that super clarifying feel that they said that you should get with using a shampoo. But I do double cleanse. So what I found was when I used the shampoo without the primer, then I got that like squeaky clean that they're talking about, that clarifying feel. And I also found that it actually smudges up more when you use it without the primer. So this shampoo actually has key ingredients like apple cider vinegar, ginger roots, dragon fruit juice, not sure what that is, wild nectar. Those are just some of the key ingredients in here. And I like the shampoo with the primer as well as without the primer. So I feel like with the primer it's more of a medium cleanser. Without the primer it's definitely a clarifying shampoo. So depending on how you like your shampoos to be, you may find that you like the combination of the primer and the shampoo, or you may find that you just like the shampoo by itself. I feel like anyone works really, so it's totally up to you on what you prefer. The next product is actually their Pro-Biotic Carmine Conditioner. So this is step 3 in the scalp line. This Pro-Biotic Carmine Conditioner is actually supposed to rebalance your pH and add moisture back to your hair after you have used the shampoo and the primer. It says let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. I actually found that this conditioner had more slip than the primer, and the primer is the one that says that it's supposed to help with detangling, but this actually was way better at detangling than the primer. This Carmine conditioner has a tingling feel to it. I actually really love it. It just makes my scalp feel really open and clean. I love how moisturizing it is to my hair after, you know, shampooing. This actually has tea tree oil, which I actually guessed when I put it on because it has such a tingling feel and such a strong feel. I definitely say do not get this in your eye. Like, I find that when I use this, my eyes need to be closed just a little because the tingling feel is actually so strong that I feel it in my eyes. So don't get this in your eyes. You will regret it like 110%. And now we can hop into their Hydro Cream Soothing Mask. So this was actually purchased separate from the box. The rest of the products that I'm talking about I purchased separate because I wanted to try the line in its entirety. I didn't want to just try the cleansing because I feel like I can't really give a full review if I just use the wash part of the products. So this mask, it's only 2 ounces. They obviously have bigger sizes, but I was trying to be smart about how I spent my money, and I have to say little of this goes a long way. So you don't necessarily need the big one if you just want to try it out. If you do love it at the end, go ahead and buy the big one. But this one says that it deeply hydrates, balance, calm, and restore your hair. This conditioner is thick. It isn't as thick as the conditioner, the deep conditioner from the transition line, but it is still thick. It's still moisturizing. I actually really liked it, and it doesn't say that you need to add any heat. It says leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing out, and it says if you want like an extra treatment, leave it in for 30 minutes and then rinse. This is moisturizing, and I definitely felt like my hair was hydrated. It looked hydrated when I washed this out, so I actually really like this. And it has lavender, green tea extract, and organic thyme, hyaluronic acid as well. So those are just some of the key ones, and it says that it brings back softness, shine, and elasticity to your hair. So that's the deep conditioner, and a little does go a long way with this. Okay, so now we're on to their styling products. This first styling product is their Weightless Air Dry Cream. This is a leave-in conditioner. It says that it's super lightweight and it moisturizes your hair without doing buildup. I could definitely say that is the case with this. My hair did not feel heavy at all once I applied this. It actually felt really hydrated and really moisturized. I love the feel of it going on my hair. I do not feel like it's gonna work by itself. Like, it doesn't have enough hold for it, but it's an amazing base product. Like, it gives you the moisture and the hydration that you need for your curls to be soft and hydrated. So I like this. And it says easy dry, and it's for all hair types. It does say to use it with the Hydro Style Flexi Gel, which is the gel that I use on top of this. So this, though, even though I use a lot, I find that I don't have to section my hair like how I used to, like in fours, just to make sure that all my curls are hydrated. It is thick enough that I do my hair in 2 and my wash and go is still hydrated, fleeky, defying everything. And the last product is their Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. This jelly says that it has a hold of 7. I love this gel, honestly, because when you put it on, I feel that gel consistency, like, you know, like where it's like kind of hard and you know that you're gonna have hold, but when it dries, there's like no cast whatsoever. There's no flaking. There is just definition and shine, and I love it. And what I've actually been using this for too is sometimes when I want to put my hair back in one but I don't want to like ruin my wash and go, I would actually use this gel on the top part of my hair just to like tame the fags without compromising my wash and go, and this is great for that. But all in all, I actually really like this gel. This has been one of my go-to pickups for wash and goes, as well as, like I say, to put my hair in one to hold it, but not to hold it too much, and then I have to wash my hair all over again. So the gel in combination with the cream, amazing wash and go. I mean, come on, like, my hair speaks for itself. It is super shiny, super defined. It's soft and bouncy. There's no crunch, but there's hold. This is actually day 3 here, and honestly my wash and go is getting better as the days go. Like, my hair is getting bigger, but I'm not losing any of that shine or definition or softness. All of it is there, and I am here for it, and my hair is loving it. And honestly, I have to say, one thing that I didn't take notice of was usually at the end of my wash and go week, after I've done gone like 7-8 days, my scalp itches like crazy. But with this line, now that I think about it, I haven't had that itching at all. So they obviously know what they're doing when they say they taking care of your scalp and there's no buildup, because I haven't had itching. That's one thing that I did not think about. Okay, so that is my opinion on all of the products. Now, at this point in my video, I usually tell you which products are my favorite, and I think that you should like 100% buy. This one is hard because this line is actually really good. I like a lot of the products, but if I have to choose my favorite, I would have to actually choose 3. And the 3 that I'm choosing is actually the latter part of my wash day, and that is the gel, the cream, and then the conditioner. So these 3, yes, these 3, hands down, I suggest that you buy. Like, my wash and go is so great. Defined, shiny, whole, softness. You can't get better than that. I love these 3, so I definitely recommend that you buy these 3. The entire line is actually still worth your money. Like, I would say, if you can afford it, buy the entire line, because I feel like all the products together combine to make a great wash day, a healthy wash day, as well as a good looking wash and go. So yeah, they did it with this line. In conclusion, this scalp line was definitely worth my coins. Like, I definitely recommend it, and I think that anyone will benefit no matter the hair type that you have. I definitely think that there's products in this line to work for everybody. So that is my take on the Curlsmith line. I wish I had tried this scalp line so much sooner because I absolutely love it. But if you've tried this line and you have certain products that are your favorite, or your products that didn't really work for you, let me know below in the comments. Let me know if you want me to review any of their other products. I know they have one for color. Well, as you can see, I need a refresh color because my hair is basically black now. But they have that, and I think they have some extra products in the orange line, which is a transition line. I keep calling it that. I don't know if it's the transition line, but they have more products in that line. So let me know. But that is it for my video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time, and remember, when you know better, you do better. Bye.